Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, we'll discuss now one question based on University of Mumbai pattern. Let us read question. Following are the balances in cost ledger of manufacturing company on 1st April 2015. Finished stock ledger control account. This is finished goods. Debit balance 4,580. Factory overheads control account. Opening debit balance 1,020. Work in progress control account 2,465. Stores ledger control account 4,420. These are stocks having opening balance debit. Cost ledger control account 12,485. Following are the transactions for the month ending 30th April 2015. Raw material purchased. This will be debited to stores account and credited to cost ledger. Material issued to production. This will be debited to work in progress account, credited to stores. Factory wages. This will be recorded in wage control and cost ledger. Factory overheads incurred. Factory overheads debit, cost ledger credit. Factory overhead charge to production, WIP debit, factory overheads credit. Cost of sales, this will be recorded in costing profit and loss account, debit side. Sales returns at cost, stores credit, cost ledger debit. Finished product at cost, work in progress credit, finished goods debit. Sales 60,000, costing profit and loss account credit, cost ledger debit. Prepare the following cost control accounts. Cost ledger control account, work in progress ledger control account, finished stock ledger control account, stores ledger control account, cost of sales account, works overheads control account, costing profit and loss account. We have gone through the question. Let us prepare all necessary accounts. We have opened all necessary accounts. Let us start doing postings, going through the question. Finished stock ledger control account, opening debit balance 4,580. Finished goods ledger control account, on debit side this will be recorded to balance brought down 4,580. Factory overheads control account, debit balance 1,020. Work in progress control account 2,465. Work in progress control account debit side to balance brought down 2,465. Stores ledger control account 4,420. Stores ledger control account debit to balance brought down 4,420. Cost ledger control account credit 12,485. Cost ledger control account credit by balance brought down 12,485. Following are the transactions for the month ending 30th April 2015. Raw material purchases 64,500. This will be credited to cost ledger control account. Cost ledger control account, credit side. By stores ledger control account 64,500. This will be debited to stores ledger control account. This will be debited to stores ledger control account. Stores ledger control account debit side. To cost ledger control account 64,500. Material issued to production 51,520. This will be credited to stores ledger control account. By work in progress ledger control account 51,520. This will be debited to work in progress ledger control account. To stores ledger control account 51,520. Factory wages 12,840. This will be credited to cost ledger control account. By wage control account 12,840. This will be debited to wage control account. Wage control account debit side. To cost ledger control account 12,840. This will be credited to work in progress account. By work in progress ledger control account 12,840. Wage control account we have credited by work in progress ledger control account 12,840. Work in progress ledger control account debit to wage control account 12,840. Indirect labor 2,460. This will be credited to cost ledger control account. By wage control account 2,460. Wage control account debit to cost ledger control account 2,460. This amount should be treated as indirect labor. Therefore, it will be transferred to factory overheads control account. This will be then debited to factory overheads or works overheads control account. To wage control account 2,460. Factory overheads incurred 8,120. This will be debited to factory overheads control account. To cost ledger control account 8,120. This will be credited to cost ledger control account. By factory overheads control account 8,120. Factory overheads charged to production 11,600. This will be credited to factory overheads control account. By work in progress control account 11,600. This will be debited to work in progress control account. To factory overheads control account 11,600. Cost of sales 57,850. This will be debited to cost of sales. To finished goods ledger control account 57,850. This will be then credited to finished goods ledger control account. Cost of sales we have debited 57,850. This will be then transferred to costing profit and loss account. By costing profit and loss account 57,850. This will be debited to costing profit and loss account. To cost of sales account 57,850. Sales returns at cost 1,000. This is the goods sold which are returned by the customer. So this will be debited to stores account. Sales returns at cost 1,000 is given. This will record to the credit of cost ledger control account. In finished goods control ledger account, this will be recorded on debit side. Finished product at cost 67,500. This will be credited to work in progress account. By finished goods ledger control account 67,500. This will be then debited to finished goods ledger control account. To work in progress ledger control account 67,500. Sales 60,000. This will be credited to costing profit and loss account. It will be transferred to cost ledger control account. Rupees 60,000. Cost ledger control account on debit side to sales 60,000. We have recorded most of the information given in the question. Let us go for now closing all ledger accounts. So in store ledger we are getting balancing figure on credit side. This is closing balance of stores which will be then transferred to trial balance. Work in progress ledger control account. We are getting balancing figure on credit side 10,925. This is closing stock. It will be carried to trial balance. Factory overheads control account. It's tallying 11,600 both the sides. It means there is no under recovery, there is no over recovery. Factory overheads control account, both the sides are matching 11,600. That means there is no under recovery, there is no over recovery of works overheads. Waste control account is closed. Total is 15,300. Finished goods control account, we are getting balancing figure on credit side 15,230. This will be transferred to trial balance. So we got profit 2,150. This will be transferred to cost ledger control account credit side. Cost ledger control account, we are getting balancing figure on debit side to balance carried down 43,555. In this question, we have learned how to prepare various accounts and give effects when non-integrated cost ledger is to be prepared. Thanks for watching this video. Stay in tune with Ikeda and subscribe to our channel Ikeda. Thank you.